Hindi ka ba talaga magaling mag-English or hindi mo lang ma-translate yung information sa utak mo into words na pwede mong sabihin verbally or isulat? A lot of Filipinos can speak English. I think ang kulang sa atin is clarity and precision when it comes to communicating. Kagaya kayo nitong si Darlene, akala daw niya yung technical writing research. Iba pala yung tinutukoy ko. Guys, technical writing is a form of communication that's being used by a lot of businesses kasi they want to be able to convey technical or complex information. They want it na written in a more clear, concise, or understandable manner na maiintindihan kahit ng mga taong walang masyadong alam kung ano man yung field or industry nila. Ang daming industries ang gumagamit nito. Una-unahan na is tech, engineering, healthcare or medical, finance. Kasi most of these industries, they have document processes. So basically, they have procedures, specifications, and other technical information, and they want it either written or they want it on their website. They want to be able to create standard operating procedures na nakalatag kung ano nga ba yung processes nila in such a way na maiintindihan ng tao na first time pa lang na babasahin yung kanilang SOP. Technical writers can create documents such as user manual, product guidelines, software documentation, and technical reports that will help their customers, their users, clients, even their colleagues to understand how to use complex products or systems na meron sila. So imagine, may isang business, sila ay naka-discover ng isang product that would be beneficial sa lahat ng household. However, kailangan nila ng isang product guide para masabi dun sa kanilang mga customer kung paanong mafu-fully utilize yung kanilang bagong produkto. This is where technical writers come into play. Now, as an aspiring freelancer or kung freelancer ka na and you're looking to upskill or improve yung iyong skill set, this is something that you really need to have, you really need to possess, especially if you're looking into assisting the operation side of business. Yung mga gusto maging operations manager, this is something that you really, really, really have to have. Aspiring freelancers can significantly benefit from learning technical writing because, as I mentioned earlier, number one, it's applicable across a wide range of industries. So whether you're interested in software development, engineering, or any other technical domain, your ability to communicate complex information effectively is crucial. There is a market demand for technical writers because this is one of the untapped market na hindi pa masyadong pinapasok ng mga matagal na sa freelancing. This is something new that you can offer. Many businesses and organizations, especially yung mga startups, they need technical writers to create documentation for their products or services. So as a freelancer, having technical writing skills can make you more marketable and open up a variety of job opportunities for you. At isa to sa napakaraming kulang sa mga current na freelancers na na-interview namin or na-hire namin sa agency, which is why we offer this training na may kasama ng internship para ma-practice ninyo kung ano yung natutunan ninyo. If you guys wanna join this training, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Pag hindi kumana yan, copy and paste sa Chrome. Sa Instagram naman, i-click nyo lang to. At pag di gumana yung TikTok at saka Instagram, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook, hanapin nyo tong video na to, makikita nyo sa caption. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, makikita nyo lang sa description box. Lahat ng open classes namin ay nasa link sa bio ko. So kapag clinic nyo yon, i-browse nyo lang ng konti pababa, makikita nyo na doon, open classes. Tapos kung gusto nyo mag-join sa technical writing class namin, ang next session niya is on January 27th and 28th, 8 a.m. till 12 noon. Pagkatapos noon, meron kayong 2 weeks na internship with Coach Potato. Doon na rin sa Google, may centralized classroom na kami for everyone para makita nyo doon kung ano yung mga activities na gagawin. Keep in mind na dumadami na yung mga classes namin na after ninyong makomplete yung certification, so meaning yung live class na 2 days, tapos mag internship kayo ng 2 weeks, pagkatapos magkakaroon kayo ng application book session, tuturuan namin kayo mag-apply. Bukod pa doon, meron kayong practice na mock interview with me, so yun yung one-on-one natin. And kung makakita kami ng potential sa inyo, we'll start referring you din sa client. Clarify ko lang, hindi namin pinapangako na may client na kayo, but we will help you from start to finish. Alam niyo pa ang good news, 999 pesos lang lahat ng nabanggit ko. So, ibig ko sabihin, ano pang iniintay mo? Mag-enroll ka na at baka naman malipasan ka na naman. Hindi na tayo dapat poor this 2024. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!